Cloud Run is a GCP service used for deploying containerized applications to the cloud. At AdSwerve, we often use it to share findings of marketing mix models with customers. However, many other types of applications can also be deployed with Cloud Run. Cloud Run conveniently has a URL which leads to the UI of your application. Unfortunately, by default, this URL is exposed to anyone on the internet, which is a security risk, and there is no quick and easy way to share this application with specific users. To address this problem, we have built an open source repeatable solution. The solution is available on our GitHub page. We encourage that you check out our GitHub. The solution uses Identity-Aware Proxy, and we would like to give credit to a Google Code Lab, which provided the foundation for the solution. The solution will help you share your Cloud Run application URL with users in a way which is secure, centralized, and user-friendly in relation to the end user. As part of the solution, we changed the ingress settings of Cloud Run to internal load balancing. This means that we hide the application URL. As you can see, the URL is grayed out. When I try going to that URL, I'm going to get an error. Now that we hid it from the public, we need to figure out how to share the application with the end user. To do that, we will use IAP, Identity-Aware Proxy. This is the IAP screen. And this is where you can grant access to the back end to a specific user. The solution sets up network infrastructure in your GCP project. We reserve an IP address. We associate that IP address with a domain. So to figure out the domain, we would just go to this IP address. We will just add nip.io. And under that endpoint, we can find the application. Only a user who is authorized can access this application. Anybody not authorized would get a permission denied error. To recap, we have built a repeatable open source solution which allows you to share your Cloud Run application with specific users only. If you'd like to learn more about it, please check out our blog post describing the solution and its benefits. And if you would like to install the solution, please check out our GitHub page and you can just follow the ReadMe documentation. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you.